Hi students, this is your journey starting video installing Visual Studio. Uh, I will introduce some techniques for installing Visual Studio, uninstalling unwanted packages and install extensions for Visual Studio, not NuGet packages. This is some extensions. Sometimes you need some extensions for your Visual Studio, not your project, right? These concepts and how to correctly install Visual Studio I will demonstrate in this video. Okay, let's move into part. Right, open your browser, type Visual Studio. Last time I typed. Then you can move into visualstudio.microsoft.com. They provide directly download links. And now you have three packages: Community Edition, Professional Edition, and Enterprise Edition. These are Visual Studio is a IDE, right? Powerful IDE. Then these community editions you can download free. The professional edition and enterprise edition you have to pay some amount. But if you need professional or enterprise edition, you can get free trial for 3 months or sometimes. But in this time, I'm going to install community edition. Click download button. Then for me, it's downloaded. Right? Double click on this or click on here. Then run. Right. Visual Studio installer installing. It is almost. This will take few times depending on your internet speed. Right. You can see this window. Select the packages that you want. I install .NET this package and this package. .NET Desktop Development, ASP.NET Web Development. I'm not going to install Azure in this time, right? In my company PC Visual Studio, I install this Azure and lot of packages because I need, but this time I don't need, and I installed data storage and processing package. Sometimes in your view, this name and your name will have some differences, but select the packages, right? This is the packages. Then if you want to install individual components, you can click here and install individually package. You can change your language, which language you prefer. I use English is default language. Right, installation location if you want to change. In this time you can get modify or install, downloading, then modify. Two options available: download then install, install while download. Install while download I use, then click modify. Right, in this way you can install your Visual Studio. You need uh, some data amounts, right? In this time 6.92 GB required. The reason is I'm already installed, but in modifications I need this amount. If you are installing beginning, your required space will change, right? Like that. These individual components don't change your one, right? It's the different situations I use these parts. Your window will not like this. You don't need to manually install one. Sometimes sometimes you need to manually install this package and uninstall this package. Like this, you can tick and modify, right? That's the way you install one package manually or uninstall. This is the way, right? That's it, you can modify, right? The next part is how to install extensions to your Visual Studio, right? Close this because I am already installed, that's why I close. Then open your Visual Studio, right? This visual, if you want to change your install package, you can click this Visual Studio installer for getting that window again, right? But now I am going to open my installed one, that's why I select Visual Studio 2019 app, right? This one, uh, don't think much think. This is your Visual Studio interface, right? Don't think about this one or this one. This will be uh, this kind of window you can see, right? Then sometimes you need some extensions to install Visual Studio, but now this time I am not going to install any extensions, but sometimes you need. Click extension and manage extension, uh, then install GitHub extension for Visual Studio, or like this. These extensions install for your Visual Studio, not your individual projects, right? uh, and you can see this tabs: Server Explorer and Toolbox. If you can't see these tabs, you can select View Team Explorer, like that. Think about this. You can't see that tabs, then should you should select View Solution Explorer, View Team Explorer, like this. If you want to pin these things, you can click this pin button, then it pin into your workspace. This is the basic introduction about Visual Studio and how to install Visual Studio. Remember this thing, sometimes you need to install more packages. Then how to install that? Type and search Visual Studio installer, right? Visual Studio installer. Go. Then you can move into previous view. This time you should click this modify button. Probably your modify is not here, like this. This button will be launch your modify under more, right there, like this, right? This time I force, that's why modify button will comes here. Click modify in whatever way, select the modify button, then you can modify your installed package or individual package, installing or uninstalling, right? I think you get some idea about uh, the lesson contents, right? Installing, uninstalling, and extensions, managing, some Visual Studio interface changing, these things, right? I think this is enough for installing part. Okay, thank you, and let's move into next part.